Hi friends, today I'm telling about all those things regarding to the full stack development, web development, all coming the part of this day 1 to day 30. We learn master classes about full stack development. So you can see for full stack, front end, back end, database we require. For front end development, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular or React.js. This is the requirement for front end, means client side. When you are interacting, only you can UI path. When you are seeing the screen, call a front end. This is called a client side. Okay, backend means how the data stored in the backend side, means server side. So on that part is called as a backend. Where it the store the data is called database. So when you can require all those things is called a full stack development. So coming to the part of full stack development, you can see all those things. Okay, you have brief idea when you are looking this video. You have brief idea all those things coming the part of this video. 30 days master class is very helpful. You have no idea and how to create the web page and how to store the data. You can learn. You can being the part of a member in the day 30 of master classes. It is very helpful to you and me also, because I'm joining in the internship. It may be helpful who are searching for the job in the full stack development. Evergreen is a full stack development course. So on the part of that you can understand what is that. You can as a fresher point of view or changing the domain non-IT, where the people going on non-IT to IT, or changing the domain and fresher point of view. It is very helpful to prepare all those things. You have an idea when seeing this video. Thank you for searching this seeing this video and subscribe my channel. Please support my channel to me, because it is very helpful to because every platform is very independent. So YouTube is a all platform to cover all those things. Being the part of that, it is very helpful, because in testing point of view also I am taking the class. If you want mention in the comment box, I will help you on those things. Okay, coming to the front end, client side is also known as a client side. When you are seeing this page, is called a Google page. All those things coming the part of UI path, or front end or client side. Okay, in this part you can learn HTML, hypertext markup language. It is for example, you can create you can construct a building. Bricks is required to structure and maintaining many years. On that part HTML is used like bricks. You can consider as a bricks. Okay, CSS, cascading style sheets. When you are completing the bricks with the form of cement, and use painting um, for looking with the color of all those things part like painting, you can consider as a painting for CSS. JavaScript is a language to shorten form. When you are using light, fans, all those things, then house is complete, building structure is format and leaving the people, it's good. So JavaScript is used to minimize the code, and a number of times you can use it. Then you can use the JavaScript language. Okay, Angular or React.js, this is the framework. This is the framework how to can go. Angular and React is a single page applications, to build a single page applications, and it is very helpful to go into the house. This is kitchen, this is bedroom, this is child bedroom, hall, dining table, where you can can go find out the bathroom, all those things using when you are seeing a map like that. You can use Angular or React JS. You can see it is this framework is very helpful, where you can go and where to find out the rooms like that. It is very helpful to us. And nowadays everyone using free libraries. For that purpose you can go for the React JS. Okay, SAS, less Flexi, CSS, BLUE. These are the different frameworks. After we can discuss all those things. In front end part we can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Angular or React JS. In those two we can require only one. Or React JS is the popular one. For her it is a free libraries to add it. So no need not to pay anything for Angular JS like that. So React JS is a free versions to add the libraries in the framework. So for everyone using React JS, so we are also using in future part React JS also is very important to us. After that you can see backend. For example, you can creating a video. After that, where to store the details in the part of the video, recording all those things, how to happen in the data backend side, means server side. We can use Node.js. Node.js, when uploading a file to the database, Node.js is used for the part of server side. Using Node.js, it is very helpful to store the data in the backend. Express also is used popular application for web and mobile data applications. In the backend side, Express is also. Flag and Django is the purely Python based framework to store the data in the backend in server side. Okay, we are using Node.js. Okay, Node.js is a free version and it is popular to the JavaScript developers and programming language with single line programming language. So it is very understandable and everyone you can use it. So Node.js is used in backend side. Coming to the database, where the Stata database, there are different types of database. For example, in kitchen you have stored the database. In bedroom also you have stored the you can store the wardrobes also. You have stored the clothes, all those things. But particular point of view where you can kitchen items only store the kitchen items. Children related to items store the children's room. Adults room to store the adults things. For that purpose you can use database. MongoDB is mainly used for the database, also then, but PostSQL also, MySQL, all those things. Then how to check the data is storing or not in the database with API integration by using testing Jest or Mocha is a framework. And everything to be stored in the form of deployment, and deployment is the Docker Herco version control. Where the project completed, you can push the data in GitHub or Git through the version controls. For example, you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or 11. My laptop Mac. So where the data comes, it's rise the issues on the point. Version control all the controls like Windows 7, 8. You can get the data easily without point of errors. So we are using version control. State management is nothing but content API, Redact API. In future we can discuss. You can choose stack, means when everyone goes to the Maven means M for Mongo, E for Express, R for React JS, N for Node.js. This is the popular version to Marin stack used in every company because it is Node.js is very understandable language in the backend. React.js is a free library to add in the framework in the front end. Express also sometimes is the Mongo database is used. So these are all Marin database, Marin full stack development. You can choose everyone as a Marin full stack. You can different full stack development, but you can consider this one. All those things coming the part of we can discuss Marin stack. Mean stack means Mongo, Angular, Express, all those things. Vue, Node.js, Lamb stack, parent stack. In olden days, everyone use mean stack, Maven stack, Lamb stack, parent stack. So you can understand this one. All those things coming the part of. Okay. Understanding the internet, www. We can find out www.google.com, World Wide Web. It is very accessible. Or IP address, DNS, domain name service, internet safety, all those things look likes. How website works, DNS look, server process, browse, web hosting, web services and hosting, all those things coming to the part of in future you can consider the version control, importance of the Git deployment in live. You can deploy the platform your project. Okay, thank you. This one you can understand all those things. Please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video to all who are freshers and non-ITs, career gap students and women especially. It is very helpful because where I'm learn particularly where I'm learn for as a woman, where I'm learn for the career gap, 6 years of career gap in my life, waste of my time with through the other things. It is maybe helpful to these things through these videos where I'm learning with the paid versions. It is very helpful to when you see the video with free of cost. You can comment on the comment box. You have any doubts related to this video, it is very helpful. I'm available in the comment box and chat with you, so very helpful to us. So you can consider my point in the point of the all those things. Then it is very helpful to you. Master classes, how can you get the data and how to design the UI and how to work in the backend pattern, all those things in the day 30 master classes, but not depth. In these videos you can how to manage yourself, and it is very helpful to the internship, and especially for women, career gap and having child, work from home option is available for path, and 20 years of life is very comfortable with the help of this one. And this platform is very good platform because development is wherever you can. Development is very important to the small company and big company, especially women for child. Work from home option is not available. Through this when you are learning through this day 30 masters class, it is very helpful. Who are completed graduation or post graduation, PhD, or even having minimum degree, it's very helpful. You can go because each single company or a big company, minimum degree is very important. Everyone life asking minimum degree, so for that you can complete first of all minimum degree, then you can complete master classes of this. You can understand where get the data, how this part is very important, oh this one is very important, oh okay I know this idea and this idea. You can get the access and your own, not depth. I am not teaching depth. It is very helpful to you and it is very helpful for us. So when I am learning, it is very helpful. And start internship in web development, it is maybe helpful, and gain the knowledge of this master classes. Okay, thank you so much. I'm also joining in master classes and complete this one as free of cost for you. I'm paid. I'm a paid member to someone who it's a very part of that. Every class to be a part of that. It is 2 hours class. It is only minimize and all those things coming part of 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and you have also a time reducing for you also, and it is very helpful when I'm searching these videos to you and me. It's very helpful. So thank you so much for the wonderful completing this video. Thank you so much, and like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel and share this video to others. Please subscribe. No a single rupee not paid for me. It is subscription is free and sharing is free, and like this is video is free, because motivation for my side, when you are hit or like this video, it is motivational. When I'm creating more videos for you, it is very helpful point. Wherever you can go, this type of teaching is not there in the YouTube channel. Okay, sometimes maybe there, but you searching different ways where the data, where the find out, where the find. You don't as a front-end developer, okay, is not, my mind is not taking depth. Okay, you can go for a front-end developer, you can go for a back-end developer, you can go for a database developer, MySQL. You have different path in the web development, so you can choose your life as a work from home options with the minimum package 6 lakhs LPA as a fresher point of view. You can wherever you can go. After completion of this course, you can get the knowledge and where to exam, and where to get the certificates. You can idea there. For that I will help you on that point also, and where to search the internship programming, all those things we can discuss later in the classes. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, for seeing this video, and like this video. Please subscribe my channel, please. All those things I am coming the part of master class day 1 to day 30. You can learn all those things. Never skip all those things. When I will choose all those things in the coming part of that. Okay, thank you so much. This is the overall 2 hours class compressed to 20 minutes class, not 20, 16 minutes class. So you save your time also when you are searching in YouTube. This never see YouTube channel. Thank you so much.